No, Lisa, it's not your birthday. What else could it be?
So sorry. We will have the keys anytime now.
Okay, because I do have another house to look at 1 p.m.
Oh, plenty of time. We'll have it open any minute.
Maybe it's 5290. That was our first house. Remember 5290 Maple Road?
Yeah. Try it, honey.
Nope. What else?
I don't know, honey. You picked it.
We'll get Miguel on the phone. He must know the numbers.
No, honey. You changed it after construction. Remember? Because you didn't want anyone to have the combination.
What? Well, never mind. There's only so many combinations I would use.
Did you try 1225? You love Christmas.
That was the first one I tried, but what year did you graduate? Oh, I got it. Damn.
Maybe I can come back another day when you remember the combination.
No. He will have it it'll just be a second. He will get it.
Open up. Open up! Damn! Well, maybe I can find an open window.
He didn't write the combination down or anything?
No.
You don't have a spare key somewhere?
I thought I had one in the car, but I spent like 20 minutes tearing that car apart before you got here.
All right, well, I gotta get going.
Ow!
Oh, you okay, honey?
I banged my head on the house.
Well, did you find an open window yet?
No, but I found a rock. Got inside. Hang on.
See? I told you it'd just be a minute. Come on.